Construct a scale of 1:60 to show meters and decimeters and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Also, mark a distance of 3.7 meters on the scale. Let's start by calculating the drawing length first. This is determined using the representative fraction, which is given by the formula. Representative fraction equals drawing length divided by actual length. The given scale ratio is 1:60, meaning 1 units on the drawing represents 60 units in reality. Since the scale needs to measure up to 6 meters, we convert this distance into centimeters for convenience. So, the required drawing length is 10 centimeters. Now, let's prepare the layout of the plane scale step by step. Start by drawing a baseline, AB, that is 10 centimeters long to represent a scale of 6 meters. Then, divide the baseline into 6 equal parts, with each part representing 1 meter. And label them accordingly, as shown. Next, let's focus on the smaller divisions. Take the first section labeled A0 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Each of these will represent a decimeter, helping us measure distances in smaller units. And label them accordingly, as shown. Now, complete the rectangle ABCD, finalizing the layout of the plane scale. With this construction, we have successfully created a plane scale capable of measuring distances in meters and decimeters with accuracy. Learn how to apply the scale to mark a specific distance in Part B. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.